Dreaming of owning a piece of land where you can build your ideal getaway or make a smart investment? Here's your chance to snap up 5 acres of affordable land with stunning views of the majestic Mount Blanca. It's the perfect blend of serene rural living and convenient accessibility. This property is just a 22-minute drive from Smith Reservoir, ideal for those weekends you crave nature and adventure. With easy access to Highway 150, you're conveniently connected to Alamosa, Blanca, and Fort Garland. Alamosa is just 19.2 miles away, providing all the essentials, including a Walmart and various dining options. If you're in the mood for more excitement, cities like Taos, Pueblo, and Colorado Springs are within 1 to 2.5 hours away. Enjoy both rural tranquility and urban attractions at your convenience. The best part? There's no HOA, which means more freedom for your personal plans. You have multiple options for utilities. Drill a well, set up a septic system, and choose between solar or city power. We offer simple seller financing to make land ownership easy and stress free. Whether you're planning to build immediately or looking for a great investment, this is the perfect opportunity. Don't miss out. Contact us today to learn more and take the first step toward making your dreams a reality. Own your piece of Colorado freedom.